made with a little condensed milk and evaporated milk. So here we go. So starting with our ingredients, we've got quite a lot here. We have some flour, some cornmeal, butter, sugar, tin milk, condensed milk, some spices, nutmeg, ginger, banana, an egg, and some fresh coconut. So we'll start with the coconut. You can use desiccated, but I'm using fresh because that's better, and I'm simply just going to crack this open and then grate the amount which is in the recipe in the description below. To crack this, you just want to pierce the eyes with a knife. Drain out the milk, which is this lovely coconut water here, and then we can crack it open, and the flesh on the inside is what we want to grate. So now that all the flesh is grated, we're going to start with the base of the cornbread. So I'm going to add to the bowl our sugar and butter and cream that together until it's nice and smooth and light. Now that that's nicely whipped, we're going to add in our egg. The mix may curdle a little bit, but that's okay. Next step, we want to crush our banana and then fold that into the mix. Next, we want to add our grated fresh coconut. Next, I'm just going to grate in our fresh nutmeg, followed by the fresh ginger. Then I'm going to sift in the flour with the baking powder and fold that now rather than mix, because we want to keep in as much air as possible. Next, we're going to add the evaporated milk, followed by the cornmeal, followed by the condensed milk. We're going to keep folding this until it's nice and incorporated and smooth, and then it'll be ready to be baked. Finally, we're just going to add the rum. You can skip this if you don't want to add any alcohol, but this is the time we can add it, and then we're going to get this ready to go into the oven. So here I have a baking dish that's been lined with some baking paper. I'm just going to pour all of this in and bake this for around 40 to 50 minutes on about 140-150 degrees C, but all the details are in the description below. So this is all done. It's nice and brown on top, and it's quite firm to touch actually. There's not a lot of baking powder, hence why it hasn't risen a lot. So let's have a look what it looks like when we cut it. Oh, wonderful. Look at that. It's baked really nicely all the way through. It's nice and firm and moist. So that's it. That's my pan patat from Haiti. So as always, thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for watching. If you're liking the recipes that you see, please like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment below if there's anything that you would like me to cook that I haven't shared already. But either way, until the next time, peace and love.